feet, occasionally. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pierce County in southeastern Georgia, southwestern Wayne County in southeastern Georgia, southeastern Patton County in southeastern Georgia until 3 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Screven, or 9 miles northeast of Patterson, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Screven, Odom, and Offerman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:00 p.m. for the following counties in Georgia.